What's up, everybody? You got the Car Man, and we are broadcasting today with an '02 Corolla. My goal is to give you some valuable information on what's going on with this car and give you an idea how we're going to get it going. Meanwhile, as usual, any car pieces or parts that we're doing to this thing or products, you can find them all in the description. Shop to your heart drops, baby, because we are Amazon certified. Meanwhile, I'm also broadcasting on Instagram daily now, so let's get on it. And if you want to follow, it'd be kind of cool. Just another way for us to connect on the old interwide web. So this '02 Corolla LE, what's up with this thing? Well, right off the bat, looks like somebody's been taking care of the headlights, but they are kind of cloudy. I mean, this car's got 140,000 miles on it. Got a couple little typical chips. You can kind of see the dirt. But if you look a little past the dirt, I just see some age stuff, but I think the paint might buff out. That's good. What else we got on here? A couple little dings. Nothing I'm seeing that's concerning me. I'm actually pretty happy looking at the mirrors. These are breakaway mirrors, usually broken on a Corolla. These are actually fine. See the tires. They seem to be okay. Can't really get a good view, but they seem to be wearing good. Wheels and the caps are all there. Cosmetically moving in over here, looks like we got a little I hate this peely crap. We're gonna have to touch this up. There's a way that I do this when I fix this. I call it the flat blacken of the car, because that's what it is. But they actually use like some kind of some type of a covering on it, actually. But I mean, it's just a process, I guess. Normal, I use flat black. Alright, so other than that, on this car, all I really see going on, I see one little rust spot, and it's probably due, yeah, looking down into that quarter there, it looks fine, and I've already climbed underneath it to verify it. And if you look right here on this side, they're nice and clean too. And of course this tire's good, and the wheel doesn't have really a whole lot of rash on it either. So, I got one little rust spot so far that I'm worried about. Some bright work, or should I say some black work. This is a Corolla LE, that's always good. Ugh, I hope that's not a magnet. Nope, I think that's just adhesive, so I gotta take that off. We did have a magnet right here. Swim RVA, swim for it. I hear you, baby. Keep swimming. Oh, we can see the headliners kind of dropping here in the back. And that kind of bites. Anyway, I guess we'll adjust it. Ooh, no headrest in the back seat either. Didn't see that one earlier. Trip to the problem is that these cars are mainly still on the roads. So there's not that available for parts. Dang, high quality cars. And looking here, looks like we have a little bit of damage here too. Just a little. Looks like my girl might have just kind of brushed up against something here. No big deal. Let's step back and take a look at that. Ah, yes. Alright. I'm going to do a little touching up. I don't see any rust in those quarters either. So it does seem to be strictly that side. So we're going to do some touch up. This is what I don't like the most. This dead flat spot here. I don't know what they put on that thing. Oh, a little bit of dead paint up here. I mean, it's a '02. Looks like some more, we're going to have to do some more flat blacking. Oh, let's take a look inside this little beauty. Got some stained up seats for sure. Check it out. Alright, I can deal with it. Anybody else got a problem with it? I don't care. We can get those out. Maybe we can get them out. Headliner is decent, other than it's sagging like a dog. I don't know if I'm going to mess with this or not. See, the vinyl's supposed to be there. Just the heat got to it and just kind of peels off. Interior overall is pretty good shape. A little bit of ugly. A little bit of squeaking. It's moaning like me. By the way, guys, I've been losing weight. Hashtag unfatten myself. Hashtag unfatten myself at Gold's Gym. All those fit people at Gold's Gym, man, they keep you motivated. That'd be like lifting 500 pounds. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to lift this sub right here. Okay, look at that. Man, that thing is nasty. Won't take care of that. But you know, the little bits of this car is is pretty nice. We have a check engine light on, but we also have an exhaust leak. So it's for the O2 sensor. We'll see what we got here in a second. Take a look under this hood. See what's going down. What's going down? I don't even know what I did with the key to this thing. Anybody know what I did with the key to this? Alright. Hold on. Make you drunk for a second. Aha! Man, this is a great little engine. It's one of the most popular ones. It's not the newer one that had all the piston problems like I had in my Camry. This is actually the good one. Alright, brake fluid. I can tell right here. It looks a little dirty, but it's not trashed. Let's see. Yeah, it's fine. I always recommend flushing out battery. I mean, not battery. Flushing out the battery. Yeah, just flush out your battery. Now the brake fluid. The battery, let's check out the terminals. Looking nice and fresh. I'm liking it. There's probably a date on here somewhere. M3. Who knows? I don't see the date. It's probably on there somewhere. Yeah, so this is the same little setup they put in the Camry. So this is a pretty good car. Now they say it's lifetime, the life service of the car, you don't need any transmission fluid. But that's BS, guys. It's for the lifetime of the warranty. So these cars at 100,000 miles, I definitely recommend a fluid change. What do we got here? How's the oil look? Oil looks clean. I can't really check it. Looks like it could use a little bit. Of course, I ain't got no way to really check it at the moment. What else going on here? Power washer fluid. Is that just a blue mark down there, or is it down there? It's down there. Okay, cool. That's nice. The power steerings almost always leak right there, so it's nice that these are not leaking. And I don't see any rust damage on the strut towers, which is awesome. This is a local Virginia car, which helps it out tremendously. Alright, so what else we got on this thing? I'll tell you what, let me put you on pause and I will fire this thing up and see what we got. Alright, we're inside the car. Let me get my wrist out of this hanger for this battery. I mean for the battery, for the camera. Alright guys, let's see what we get here. I definitely hear the exhaust leak. Cool, 146 on the clock. Not seeing anything else other than the that light. Got a little bit of a high RPM, to be honest. Still staying a little high. Well, let's see what we can discover. So we've already got her plugged in. Back off this thing where you can actually see it. That's a grand idea. System 2 lean, bank 1. Okay. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Evaporated emission system vent control circuit, P446. System 2 lean, bank 1. Okay, those could be very much related to each other. Guess we'll see. All right, let's go to the live data menu and see what's going on. That's the way, to like it. Okay, here we go. See what we got here. The load's not too bad. All right, we're going to keep an eye on the short-term fuel trim. She's staying in the negatives. See, I like for that to be around 0 ish. Just a little bit. It should be bouncing up and above, around 0 and a little above it. So we definitely have a vacuum leak on that side. Bank 1, so it's a 4-cylinder, so guess what? Good luck finding it. There we're at 1,058. It does seem to be reading correctly. That vacuum leak's going to jump me up on my idle, so Come on, guys. All right. Take air temperature. See if the mass airflow is working. Come on, computer. There she is. Intake air temperature 79. That's about the degrees outside right now. That's probably about right. TPS, throttle position sensor. Sorry, my computer takes a while. It's slow like I am. It's all beat up. Okay. This is a biggie because we know we have an exhaust leak, so let's see what's going on with our O2 sensors. Basically what we're hoping for, okay, let's watch it jump. So one's the top side and one's the bottom. I'm looking for a wide range on the top. See, I'm trying to look at this through the camera. So you see that top one right there, that's spinning like that's what I want to see. All right, the bottom one I want it to stay a little more grounded. The back one, because the air's already cooled, she's already out the back. So front one's all over the place, which is awesome. It's jumping up and down. I see my fuel trim is still in the negative. We definitely have an air leak, guys. The first thing I'm looking on this car is for an air leak. So we'll go find it tomorrow. Okay, and the only thing I'm really concerned with at this point, I got my temperature up at average, so it appears to be average. And that actually is showing me 144, I'm sorry, 167. It was 144 a second ago. And we're just interested in make sure she doesn't have any kind of overheating issues. I don't believe it does. She seems nice and stable. Meanwhile, let's see what our sound system sounds like. All right, so we got a good running engine. Okay, call me maybe. Maybe not. Whoever that chick is, she's probably like 12 years old. Okay, we got CD player. I don't have a CD player to check, but it probably works. All right, let's try the AC. Push it on. Oh, yeah. Oh, she dropped temp quick. Guys, physically, I can feel her get ice cold right here. That fast. All right, let's see what happens when we kill that. Oh, temperature's good. I'm liking it. All right, the only other thing we got is the windows. Let's see what happens. All right, got some window activity. Window activity again. Back is good. I'm feeling it. Let's check the blinker lights. They're smooth. Smooth. Boom. Oh. Alright, so I'm going to turn it off. I do have a check engine light on, but let's just go ahead and turn this bad boy off. And let's make sure we have brake light. Make sure we have all our warning lights. Okay, there's the ABS light. I'm looking for the SRS light. Oh, there she goes. Alright, still didn't see that brake light anywhere. Oh, here we go. There's your oil light and battery. I'm just making sure nobody popped them on us, and they did not. Oh, check us out. We have an outside temperature. Okay, cool. Meanwhile, man, nothing but love from the old car, man. We're going to put this car together. I'm going to start doing a lot more informative videos, breaking down little stuff that are easy maintenance on these things, and all the little jobs we do. And, of course, that'll be the normal adventures, which I have a huge one coming up. I was in South Carolina, and I got to tour and take a video of everything that was seized from the great Larry Flint of Hustler Magazine. Everything that was the government has seized. The guy bought it all out, and he let me shoot a video. So it's coming. Of course, the Carman Adventures will do anything for automotive memorabilia, and that would be one of those things that goes under anything. Meanwhile, subscribe if you get a chance. Would love to see you on Instagram. And we can just tear it up, baby. Carman's back, and let's do business. See ya.